Jakarta Composite Index jumped 1.2% as hopes the banking crisis may be easing following the 3.2 billion takeover of Swiss bank Credit Suisse by UBS. Though sentiment mid-finance sector gained 0.97% and financial-based stocks strengthened on two-day stock trading. BBRI rose 0.4%, BBNI traded 1.9% higher, BMRI increased 4% and BBCA was up 0.3%. And investors looking forward to the Federal Reserve policy meeting as expectations grew that the U.S. Central Bank would slow its monetary policy tightening given the upheaval in the banking sector. According to the CME Fed Watch tool, markets are pricing in a 26% change that the Fed will stand pat at the end of its March 21st and 22nd meeting, with a 74% change of a 25 basis point high. Analysts said this won't be a typical Fed meeting with just a rate decision, some comments from Fed Chairman Jerome Powell, and then back to regularly scheduled business. Instead, investors will get the full court FOMC press, including future rate and economic projection. Markets have been rapidly building in rate cuts later this year. Will the Fed's dot plot back up these projections? It's worth noting that the two-year Treasury yield fell below Fed Fund futures last week, something that historically has indicated the end of Fed tightening cycles. It was also made rupiah 0.09% higher and traded at 15,340. Now let's take a look to the top gainers and top losers of the day. The top gainers were Black Diamond Resources, Widodo Makmur Perkasa, and Wijaya Cahaya Timber. And the top losers were Natura City Development bersama Zata Jaya and Mentobi Karya Tama. And in Friday, index predicted in the range of 6,557 until 6,705, while rupiah will be in the range of 15,305 until 15,410. Next, commodity prices. Spot gold was traded 0.16% higher. Meanwhile, oil prices were down as the G7 was unlikely to revise a $60 per barrel price cap on Russian oil as planned. The officials said EU countries' ambassadors were told by the European Commission over the weekend there was no pressing desire among the group for an immediate review. And WTI crude oil dropped 1.09% and Brent dropped 0.9%. I am Jessica, reporting for MGN.